Alright, so our grammar for today is present perfect continuous. This is why you need to know this, especially if you work in healthcare and also in real life too. This is how we talk about stuff that started before, is still happening now, and it might keep going. This is how people actually speak when they're talking about symptoms, moods, routines, anything that's been going on lately. And you can think of this as, I started running a marathon and I'm still on the course. So here's the structure of how we form this tense. And I have a few examples from the script for us. He's been feeling more tired lately. You've been feeling extra thirsty. Now, the difference between present perfect continuous and present continuous is that they look similar, but they're used for different situations. So we use present continuous when something is happening at this exact moment. I am doing this right now. I am talking. So you're catching someone in the act. So that's present continuous. Present perfect continuous is used when I've been doing it and it's still happening and it's affecting me now. You can be describing a trend or repeated condition. So some examples are, Mark has been feeling tired lately. He's been drinking more water than usual. So you're giving a story or context, not just a snapshot. So present continuous is a snapshot, and present perfect continuous is more like a story or context to a story. So this matters in healthcare conversations because symptoms don't always happen right now, right? Doctors need to ask questions like, how long have you been feeling this way? Have you been sleeping okay? Have you been eating normally? See, it makes a difference when you ask it this way on the timeline. Let me give you a more visual and relevant example. So let's say you're working on this grammar and it's making you feel exhausted. You started at 9, it's now 9:10, and you're feeling exhausted. At 9:30, you're feeling exhausted too. At 9:55, you're also feeling exhausted. So for the past hour, from 9 to 10, you've been feeling exhausted. So this grammar shows duration, frequency, and connection to the present, which is exactly what we need in clinical interviews. One easy way to remember it is if you can add lately, for a few days, or recently. You probably need to use present perfect continuous. So we cannot say, he is feeling tired lately. We say, he has been feeling tired lately. Let's recap. So we use it when you want to describe something that started before and is still going. For example, he's been feeling tired. And use it when you're not sure if it's over yet. What's been going on with your sleep? Right, I hope it makes sense. If you have any questions, please shoot me a message.